Yeah, it's a kit. It's a balsa kit, but it's a laser cut balsa kit. So
Nice.
Everything matches perfectly.
Is it ready to fly?
No, you have to assemble it.
Does it have the power system? Or do you
No,
have...
you have to use your own AR6400.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't even have a motor? Does it come with a motor? Oh, wow.
You have to provide all that.
Wow.
Yeah, StevensAero. I think that's their website. Yeah, StevensAero.com.
Nice.
There you go.
Alright, let's
PuddleBug.
PuddleBug. It's CD.
Now you got it balanced out.
Yeah.
That's what I forgot to bring. Glue. Glue. There you go.
Yeah, I was surprised. It's stable.
Yeah, I was really surprised that it was that stable. And
Yeah, it's got a
slow flyer.
It's got a P51, the Parkzone P51 motor on it.
Oh, yeah. I've actually got one of those, a P51, yeah.